Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's episode, we will be learning how to connect Hill Climb Racing 2 with your Apple ID. Connecting Hill Climb Racing 2 with your Apple ID helps you save progress and ensures that your game data is synchronized across all of your Apple devices. So first of all, launch open the Hill Climb Racing 2 game on your iOS device, and then from the main menu, tap on the settings icon or the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu where you need to tap on this connect to cloud button drop down at the top, and under connect account tap on Apple ID logo. Go ahead and sign in with your Apple ID credentials. Scan your Face ID, your Touch ID, or enter your password, and then you will be able to log in or connect Hill Climb Racing 2 with your Apple ID. Now your game progress will sync across all your Apple device, so you can pick up where you left off on any device. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share and subscribe for more tutorials from Hill Climb Racing 2. I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.